When did Kharwar tribal movement occur? A. 1874. B. 1960. C. 1865. D. 1870. Ans. A. Who among the following was the leader of some anti-British revolts in Sambhalpur? A. Utirath Singh. B. Surendra Sai. C. Katta Bomman. D. Saeed Ahmad Barelvi. Ans. B. Consider the following events. 1. Indigo Revolt. 2. Santhal Rebellion. 3. Deccan Riot. 4. Mutiny of the Sepoys. The correct chronological sequence of these events is A. 4, 2, 1, 3. B. 4, 2, 3, 1. C. 2, 4, 3, 1. D. 2, 4, 1, 3. Ans. D. Match list I with list 2 and select correct answer from the code given below the lists. List I. List 2. Revolt, movement. Year. A. Tebhaga movement 1, 1859-60. B. Mopla rebellion 2, 1879-80. C. Pabna peasant revolt 3.1921. D. Bengal Indigo Revolt 4, 1946-47. Codes A B C D. A. 1, 2, 3, 4. B. 4, 2, 3, 1. C. 2, 3, 4, 1. D. 4, 3, 2, 1. Ans. D. Match list I with list 2 and select the correct answer using the code given below the lists. List I. List 2. A. Mopla Revolt 1, Kerala. B. Pabna Revolt 2, Bihar. C. Ekka Movement 3, Bengal. D. Birsa Munda Revolt 4, Ob. Code A B C D. A. 1, 3, 4, 2. B. 2, 3, 4, 1. C. 1, 2, 3, 4. D. 3, 4, 1, 2. Ans. A. The Mopla Rebellion of 1921 broke out in A. Assam. B. Kerala. C. Punjab. D. Bengal. A. None of the above, more than one of the above. Ans. B. Match list I with list 2 and select the correct answer using the code given below the lists. List I. List 2. Movement, year. A. Pabna Rebellion 1, 1855-56. B. Ekka Movement 2, 1873-85. C. Santhal Rebellion 3.1922. D. Tana Bhagal Movement 4, 1914. Code A B C C D. A. 1, 2, 4, 3. B. 2, 3, 1, 4. C. 3, 1, 4, 2. D. 4, 3, 2, 1. Ans. B. Match the list I with list 2 and select the correct answer from the codes given below. List I list 2. A Ramp Rebellion 1, 1859-60. B Pabna Peasant Revolt 2, 1879-80. C Bengal Indigo Revolt 3, 1860-63. D Jaintia Rebellion 4, 1873-76. Codes A B C D. A 2 1 3 4. B 2 4 1 3. C I 2 3 4. D 4 2 1 3. Ans. B. The immediate cause of the Deccan riots of 1875 was A. The shadow of a famine. B. High interest rates charged by Mahajans. C. High land revenue rates. D. Protest against imposition. A. None of the above, more than one of the above. Ans. A. Mopla Revolt of 1921 took place in A. Kashmir. B. BNWFP. C. Kerala. D. Assam. Ans. C. The Mopla Rebellion of 1921 took place in A. Telangana. B. Malabar. C. Marathwada. D. Vidarbha. Ans. B. The Mopla Revolt of 1921 took place in A. Telangana. B. Vidarbha. C. Malabar. D. Marathwada. Ans. C. With reference to revolts in British India, people known as Kallar belonged to which of the following region? A. Kolhapur. B. Midnapur. C. Madurai. D. Rangpur. Ans. C. Match list I with list 2 and select the correct answer by using the code given below the lists. List I list 2. Events, dates, a Barakpur mutiny. 1. July 1806, B. Barampur revolt. 2. November 1824, C. Santhal revolt. 3. 1855-56, D. Vellore mutiny. 4. फरवरी 1857. Code ABCD. A. 2 4 3 1. B. 2 1 4 3. C. 3 4 2 1. D. 1 2 3 4. Ans. A. Which of the following is not correctly matched? A. Mopla Revolt Kerala. B. Kukka Revolt Punjab. C. Koli Revolt Gujarat. D. Chua Revolt Madhya Pradesh. Ans. C or D. The following popular movements occurred after 1857. 1. Santhal Rebellion. 2. Indigo Revolt. 3. Deccan Agriculturists Riots. 4. Birsa Munda Uprising. Select the correct answer. A. 1, 2, 3. B. 2, 3, 4. C. 1, 2, 4. D. 1, 3, 4. Ans. B. Bhils revolted against the British in A. MP and Maharashtra. B. MP and Bihar. C. Bihar and Bengal. D. Bengal and Maharashtra. Ans. A. Which one of the following pairs is not correctly matched? A. Munda Birsa. B. Santhal Kanhu. C. Ahom Gomdhar Kunwar. D. Nayak Tanna Bhagat. Ans. D. In which year Jatra Orang started Tanna Bhagat movement? A. 1919. B. 1917. C. 1914. D. 1922. A. None of the above. Ans. C. Match these former revolts in 19th century with these related areas. A. Cookie Revolt. A. Punjab. B. Kukka Revolt. 2. Bengal. C. Pabna Revolt. 3. Bihar. D. Birsa Munda Revolt. 4. Tripura. Choose the right answer from this. Code. Code. ABC code. A. 4, 2, 1, 3. B. 2, 3, 1, 4. C. 4, 1, 3, 2. D. 4, 1, 2, 3. Ans. D. The first tribal leader who was inspired by Mahatma Gandhi and his ideology was A. Alluri Sitaram Raju. B. Jodanang. C. Jhabka Bapa. D. Rani Gaidinaliu. Ans. B.